look at the judgment, the court basically read out a prepared script. And in that prepared script, he mentioned something every law student knows is false, every international lawyer knows is false, even every civil jurisprudence knows is false, which is that, yes, that Nnamdi Kanu as a group has a right to self-determination, which is a right under international law, but that it cannot override Nigerian law. What, I think he said Nigerian Constitution. What that means is that there is a failure by the court, the Nigerian system, the judge, to recognize that there are certain things that we call jus cogens in law, meaning that they are laws that even your own constitution cannot derogate from. So you cannot say that he has a right under international law to self-determination, but it cannot override Nigerian law. That means you are contradicting yourself. It shows that you don't even know the law. And for the mere fact that not up to 24 hours or thereabout after the scripted judgment was pronounced, he was transferred to Sokoto, the seat of the caliphate. In fact, on the judgment, even before I reached there, to show you the kind of system that Nigeria is. When somebody is convicted, I think I need to clarify this point for our viewers. When somebody is convicted in law, there's always a report, a social report, before a sentence is pronounced. There are two different things, conviction and sentence. When somebody is convicted, then the next stage is to sentence the person. There is no generic sentence in law for everybody. It doesn't happen. And before a sentence can be fairly imposed, you need to look at the report of that person, the kind of report. You look at the circumstances of the person. You look at, by circumstances, I mean the person's family, the history of the person's health, the person's previous criminal convictions. You understand? You look at a whole lot of things before you can pronounce sentence. There is no court that I've practiced in that I know that has a pre-sentence report before conviction. It doesn't happen. The implication is that you have already decided to convict the person and then had a pre-sentence report before you then issued the conviction.